Our Caballo Loco. We've met the owner and started to meet the community. Now let's take a look around at all the facilities. One of the questions I get all the time is, what am I going to do with when I get older? I'm not able to move as much. I can still move some, but I need to spend more time in one place. I need to spend more time near a doctor. Things are going to change as I'm older, and I'm seeing that myself in 66, and I'm already seeing that. Well, here's Caballo Loco. Just look at this wonderful community. You're 43 miles from Tucson, or what, from there another 80 to 90 up to Phoenix. Best doctors in the world are just a few hours drive away. Have incredible community. You have a bathhouse. You have trash. You can get full hookups, but you can live here for $1,000 a year. $1,000 a year. So if you're on Social Security, you can afford $85 a month out of your Social Security to live here and have an amazing and wonderful life. I admire Jim so much. This is a conscious decision that he has made to provide hope and a wonderful community for as many people as he can. And you can see here that he has succeeded in that. This is amazing. So we are in the Caballo Loco Clubhouse. You can see they have music and dances here once a week. It's a very nice clubhouse. Very, very large. This is a very, very community-oriented place. They've created their own club group within the park, and they do their own activities and a lot of autonomy. It's big, it's beautiful, and if you want to be a part of a community, you can do that here. But you can be as long as you want, as much as you want. And that's really the thing that all of us want, I think, us nomads, to be a part of something, but to be able to get away from it whenever we want. And that's very, very important to most of us. This is the clubhouse. Patio, nice place to come out and visit and sit. Since the occupancy went up so much, Jim has been able to put a lot of money into the buildings, into the park, to make it better and better and better. He just put a new roof on this building, new paint nearly in all the buildings, and it's just, everything's better. All the money doesn't go into his pocket. You know, he lives, but lives, comfortably, but not extravagantly. And all the money goes back into the park because that's human beings. And human beings are what count. Now we're inside the bunk house, and as you can see, it is very, very, very comfortable. I mean, this would just be a great place to come and meet and visit with people. They've put a lot of money into this. They've painted, they've new furniture. Again, all the extra money that has come in because of the video and the higher occupancy has gone into making people's lives better. Because there is no better way to spend your money or your life than making other people's lives better. And if you'll do that, you can't outrun the good things that'll come to you. And that's what's happened here. This is the little library room in the bunk house. Lots of books. Bring a book, leave a book, take a book. And magazines, and seating places, and of course, what else can you have but a pool table? So it's just everything you could want. As you can see, you can get mail pickup and UPS, FedEx delivered here right to the park, to your home. And this is the activity nights. So here we are at the bathroom and laundry rooms. Let's go ahead and take a quick tour in them. As you can see, ATVs are very, very popular. It's a big park, getting around on ATVs and beautiful, beautiful scenery. So people just get around on their ATVs and motorcycles and electric bikes and just have a good time here. Here we are at the restrooms. Listen to that echo on my already big voice. And here's the men's room. So as you can see, this is a standard bathroom, 2 sinks and 2 stalls, standard stalls, and clean, nice and clean and modern, and 2 showers. So now we're in the laundry room. I hope you can hear me. The laundry is going. People are using it right now. Standard coin-operated laundry room, but very nice. You can see they've got a nice paint job. It's clean. Very, very nice. And of course, if you're here dry camping for the $1,000 a month, all these facilities are available to you. So this is Caballo Loco behind me, but I tend to think of it as Hope. Hope Village, where you know your life will be safe and secure, whatever your finances. Welcome to Hope. So this is the stunning view from behind Caballo Loco up on the hill by the observatory. And this is all BLM. And what a place. What a place. Imagine those folks, the view they have there. My goodness. I love Caballo Loco. Part of what you get here is trash and trash pickup for the lot. So there you have it, folks, an update on the CLR Ranch. Caballo Loco Ranch. It is a miracle happening right in front of you. People's lives are being saved. People who had no hope, they didn't know what they were going to do with the rest of their lives, all of a sudden have a wonderful life. And so to that, I am so grateful to Jim, who made the decision that he would live as much for others as he would live for himself. Yeah, he's running a business. He's got a good life out of it. But he could take all the money back out of that business that he's got here and make his life even better. But instead, he puts it back in. He keeps his prices low. He is capitalism at its very best. If capitalism worked like this, where the owners, the people with the power, with the money, with the property, cared as much for other people as they did for themselves, this country would thrive like it once used to. Let's just hope we can have a revival of true capitalism. Capitalism for the people and not just for the individual ego self. So if you got anything out of this video, I hope you'll tell as many people as you can who need to find a miracle like this. It is here. It does exist. So if you got anything out of this video, like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button.